Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived two close friends named Ravi and Amir. They always walked to school together, played together, and often promised, "We will always help each other in every situation." One sunny afternoon, they decided to go into the forest to collect fruits and enjoy the fresh air. As they walked deeper into the forest, they laughed, shared stories, and felt proud of their strong friendship. But suddenly, they heard a loud rustling sound from the bushes. Out came a huge bear. Its eyes were sharp, and it growled fiercely. Both friends froze in fear. Ravi, without thinking twice, quickly climbed up a tall tree nearby. He didn't look back at Amir and saved himself. Amir was left alone, standing on the ground with the bear coming closer. Amir thought fast. He remembered that bears usually don't touch dead bodies. So, he immediately lay down flat on the ground, held his breath, and stayed as still as possible. The bear came closer, sniffed Amir's body, even touched his ear with its nose, and growled softly. Thinking Amir was dead, the bear slowly walked away and disappeared into the forest. After the danger was gone, Ravi climbed down from the tree. He smiled nervously and asked, "Amir, my friend, what did the bear whisper in your ear?" Amir stood up, dusted off his clothes, and replied firmly, "The bear told me not to trust a friend who leaves you in danger." Ravi felt ashamed. He realized that in times of fear, he had only thought about himself and not about his best friend. From that day on, Amir learned to choose his friends wisely, and Ravi promised never to abandon someone he truly cared about.